Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today we will talk about how to live a soft life with no money. Living a soft life without cash may seem daunting, but it is achievable with the right mindset and some creativity. So let's get started. Step 1, simplify your life. The first step in living a soft life with no money is simplifying your life. This means decluttering your living space and removing anything you do not need. Sell, donate or give away your unused items to free up your living space and earn extra cash. By simplifying your life, you can focus on the essentials and appreciate what you already have. Step 2, prioritize self-care. Self-care is essential for living a soft life. This can be achieved by taking care of your physical and mental health, practicing mindfulness, and finding simple pleasures in life. Self-care does not have to be expensive, and there are many ways to practice self-care on a budget. Some examples include taking a walk in nature, practicing meditation, or taking a relaxing bath. Step 3, be creative with your meals. Food is a basic need, and eating well without spending much money is possible. Being creative with your meals can help you save money and enjoy delicious food. Plan your meals, shop at local farmers markets, and buy in bulk to save money on groceries. You can also try cooking meals from scratch using simple ingredients. Step 4, explore free entertainment options. Entertainment does not have to be expensive. Many free entertainment options are available, such as going for a walk, visiting a local park, reading books from the library, or watching free movies and TV shows online. Look for free events in your community, such as concerts or festivals. Step 5, build a support network. Having a support network is essential for living a soft life with no money. Surround yourself with positive people who support and encourage you. Join social groups, volunteer for causes you believe in, or participate in online communities. Building a support network can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. In conclusion, living a soft life with no money is achievable with the right mindset and some creativity. Simplify your life, prioritize self-care, be creative with your meals, explore free entertainment options, and build a support network. Remember to appreciate what you already have and focus on the simple pleasures in life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.